Let me show you how to install a Chameleon tint. This is a Chameleon tint, a sky blue and a greenish tint. So we are going to install this Chameleon tint on a Toyota Harrier. One thing before I forget is that Chameleon tint are normally 50%. So that means it is very clear from the inside and slightly clear from the outside. So remember, when you install a Chameleon tint, you'll be seen not that much, but a little bit. This is a 50%, a sky blue and a greenish tint. We normally have a lot of shades, so we have the sky blue one, we have the greenish, we have the sunset red, the brown one, we have the red, a lot of types. So if you want to know about car tinting, let me know in the comment section. As we continue this video, make sure that you like, ask questions and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, this is a Toyota Harrier and I'm going to install this 50% sky blue Chameleon tint. Step number 1, cut the tint according to the size of the windscreen. That is the step number 1. Step number 2, shrinking of the tint. As I said in my other video, shrinking of the tint is the trimming and tracing your tint according to the size of the windscreen. I'm using the heat gun to remove the bubbles that I was seeing over there. You see those gaps? I am heating it up like this and then I squeeze it off. So this is how I'm heating it up and then I squeeze it off. I can use my squeeze and remember it's very hot. You can see how my hand is burning. As we continue, any question let me know in the comment section, and if you want your car to be tinted, let me know. I'll come to my place or you can come to your place. So this is called the trimming and the squeezing part. So this is called the shrinking of the tint, whereby you squeeze it off like this until all the air bubbles or the gaps of the tint can be washed off. So step number 3, trimming of the tint. So we normally use a sharp razor blade and trim the tint according to the size of the windscreen. After we have already shrink the tint, we normally cut it according to how the windscreen looks. You see there's a line that I'm cutting over here. So this is called the trimming of the tint, whereby I'm going to cut how the windscreen will look so that I can apply the tint from the inside. So this is the step number 3, trimming of the tint and cutting it to the size of the shape of the windscreen. You see how I'm cutting it? This is called the trimming of the tint. Step number 4, take your tint and apply it from the inside. As I normally say, we normally install the tint from the inside. So this is whereby I'm going to take the tint and then I'm going to install the tint from the inside. We normally install the tint from the inside, not outside. This is whereby I'm going to take the tint and install it from the inside. Camera over here and let me show you how we clean. I said first things first, clean the windscreen, cover your dashboard. You normally cover the dashboard because of the radio like that one, so that we're going to remove all the things over here. So let me place my camera over there and then we continue. One thing that I normally say is that you need to wash the windscreen. So this is where we've already washed the windscreen, we've already covered the dashboard, and I'm using a soapy solution, a shampoo one and a purified water to wash the windscreen. To ensure the windscreen that is very clean, no dirt particles, we normally squeeze it like this. That's why I've speeded it up for you so that you may understand. As the windscreen is clean, now we take our tint and now we begin to apply the tint. If you have made this year this far, make sure that you like and subscribe. Ask any question as you continue. Listen how heavy it is. To make my story short, this is how the tint looks. You can see how dark it is from the outside and you can see how clear it is from the inside. Compare with this on the sides, you can see how clear. The thing about having a Chameleon tint is that it is photochromic. What is photochromic? Photochromic, I mean that at night it will be very clear, but daytime very dark. Right now it's daytime, very dark. I'll show you how it looks during the night. I can see nobody over here, and very clear from the inside. Any question, let me know in the comment section and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want a tint, you can call me to your place, or I can come to your place, or you can call using 0757 446 430. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and munipe kazi.